Today we are going to continue the AMDP session. So I am going to show the system demo on AMDP. Okay, so AMDP and CDS, these are all concepts we can only do in HANA Studio. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. We cannot design AMDP class in SE24 because SE24 there is no facility to design SQL script code. Here inside the AMDP class we will write a SQL script code, but it is not possible to design SQL script code in SE24. That's why we are supporting doing in HANA Studio only. So yesterday theory just we are run down. Let me explain in detail. 1 minute. AMDP and CDS are very important concepts, so we have to practice. But my advice is don't practice AMDPs directly. First you practice SQL script. Okay. AMDP, yesterday we discussed AMDP is a ABAP database procedure, which is a new feature in AS ABAP, where we can have option to write direct code, direct SQL script code inside the ABAP class. There are two concepts: database procedure proxies and AMDP. Database procedure proxies is a old concept, AMDP is a new concept. So what are the steps we have to follow while creating AMDP class? First of all, we have to open HANA Studio. In HANA Studio, we have to create a class. While creating a class, there is no difference while creating a class. Is it AMDP class or normal class? Okay, just you will right click on HANA Studio, you will create a class. But after creating the class, if you mention interface, if you in public session, if you mention interface if underscore AMDP underscore marker and if AMDP marker HDB, AMDP marker HDB, if you mention that code, that interface, then this class will become AMDP class. Okay, if you are not calling that interface in publish session, the class will not work as a AMDP class. That is compulsory. Okay, and will define any number of methods. Okay, here we can define method in combination like normal method and AMDP method. Suppose if I am defining 5 methods, in that 5 methods, 2 methods AMDP methods, 3 methods normal methods. Okay, while defining the method, there is no difference. Is it AMDP method or normal method? AMDP AMDP method is AMDP method will call specially HANA-DB, language SQL script. These are all extension we have to do. Then only this will become the AMDP method. Otherwise, we cannot implement SQL script in the AMDP method. Okay, this is the concept. While implementing the AMDP method, you have to give by database procedure. By database procedure indicate the method of the body contain database specific code. It is not a ABAP code. So the meaning of this line is inside the code, whatever code we are writing inside that method, that is the database procedure method. Okay, not ABAP method, ABAP code. And HDB means the current database using for this code is HANA database, not Oracle or DB2. It is HANA database. And SQL script, inside code we are writing as a SQL script. And read only means we are restricting write operations. So if you are writing a reports, then you have to use read only. If you are modifying or if you are through AMDP, if you are doing modification and all the things you can do, you can comment this option read only. So like through AMDP, if you are updating, you have to take care about the locking, unlocking and entire modification. You have to be very careful while doing the modify operation using AMDP. Okay, calling AMDP method is very normal. Like calling AMDP method in the program, we can call in SE38 program, we can call in HANA Studio program. Anywhere you can call in SmartForm, anywhere. Like it is like a normal function module. How you are calling in the same way, you can call that class method. Okay, AMDP class is always public. Okay, so AMDP method, if you want to make it as a static method, we can make static, and instance method instance. So if you are doing instance method, object creation is compulsory. With the object, we can call that method. Okay, suppose you may say like I have 1000 lines of program, and can I write entire 1000 lines in one method? No. Each select statement, each selection criteria you keep in one AMDP method. So you don't need to change entire code. Okay, you don't need to change entire code. Wherever selection is happening, whenever selection criteria is happening, that place only you replace this AMDP call. Okay, you'll create separately AMDP class in your source code, existing source code. Wherever select query is there, in place of select query, you will call AMDP method. Okay. Now let me start one program. So I'll go to HANA Studio. Class. New. ABAP class. Okay, description. Next. Finish. So in publish session, first and foremost thing, you have to call interface if underscore amdp marker step. Okay, this first step. And if you want to do any declaration like internal table or work area or any declarations, you can do here. And if you want to declare any method, define any method, you can define methods here. Okay, types. Tv underscore VBAK begin off. TV underscore VBAK. I'll take VKO or G. Or Kunana. Kunana also I can take. My requirement is I want to create aggregations. Okay, aggregation I want to do based upon Kunana, whatever amount is there, subtotal amount I want to display. Okay, so TV underscore VBAK. Okay. Now, here we have to find the method. Okay, you can define the static method or instance method. Okay, static method with the class method, instance method with the method. Just I'll define class method, static method. Okay, I'll have get data. Same thing I am documenting also. I'll send you documentation. So you can follow this documentation, you can do your own. Okay, and if I want to give importing, I can give importing like suppose VBLN. If you want to import, you can give the import like Punnar. If you want to import. Otherwise, if you want to export, just table. If you want to export, exporting. ET underscore VBAK. Type TT underscore VBAK. Okay, this is giving error. What is the error? The class defined, but there is no implementation. Okay, class defined, but there is no implementation. Okay, so this is AMDP. Otherwise, I can have get data. Get data. Aware. Okay, AMDP get data, ABAP get data. Okay, I'll implement two classes separately. Just we'll see. So if you see for implementation, inside this we have to do implementation. While implementing, class implementation, method, get underscore data, and if I write get data and method, okay, and method, if I write start and end method, then it will become the normal method. Okay, but my method is AMDP, means by database procedure, language SQL script, SQL script and options read only. Okay, using table. Okay, so this implementation. Get 1 minute. Here there is two methods. I want to show you the differentiation. Here inside this method we will write code. Okay, so et of equal to select KNNR comma sum of network amount from VBAK. Here we will close in this way. Okay, and this is the aggregation function. So in aggregation function you have to do order group by KNNR. Sorry, ET okay. For this select This is the ABAP code. Okay, so if I activate, activation successful. So here yesterday last session I discussed about intermediary variables. Like I can write this one, I'll write ABC equal to select star from VBA. Here in place of VBAK, I'll put ABC, which is not possible in ABAP. Okay, if I want to write a select query on ETVBAK, it is not possible. Okay, so activate. You are successfully activated. We can write a program. Like you can write program anywhere to access. In LC38 you can go and you can write. Otherwise, from directly from HANA Studio, we can create new program. Okay, here I have to write the program. So if you want to write any program, very easy. So what is the class? Get this one. So this is the static methods we created. Okay, static methods. If you create a static method, there is no need of object. So directly with this one, with double arrow, okay, I can get data, importing, ETVBAK equal to, here no need of declaration, dynamic declaration, data IT output, close. Okay, same thing here. Get data, ABAP is also same, output 2. Clear? Now how can I display? Like we have a CL output. Using that also we can display. We have method, demo methods will be there. Using demo method also we can display. Value equal to IT out. Same after that again out to also again. Just activate and execute the code. If you execute the code, you can get first pop-up aggregation. Second pop, this is from AMDP method. Okay, special AMDP method. Next one is from the, if you close, next this one is from normal. Okay, normal output. Clear? So if you want to debug, you can put breakpoint in AMDP class. This is AMDP class. If I put breakpoint here, and again if I put breakpoint here, while running this, I can able to see it's open. So if you are debugging AMDP class method, there is no need of configuration because we are doing the ABAP level. So this level, one more breakpoint. I'll take this, and you see ABC, and if you see data preview, open data preview. See, the data is selected. The data is selected here. So just I'll execute. Then ETVBI are also there. Again, it is coming to normal code. Here, this is normal code. Comma is not there. Okay, comma is not there. This is the normal ABAP code. Are you clear? Any doubts? Hello? So like this, we can have multiple, if you come to ABAP perspective, in this class, we can implement multiple methods, okay, and we can have multiple tables also, okay, importing, exporting, we can have multiple, like ETVBAK, ETVBA, like 5-6 tables, we can call it single method. Okay, otherwise we consolidate into one table, the table can be called. So any designing we can do. Here inside method we are writing SQL script, so that is very fast. Have you got the clarity? Any confusion?
Venkat, actually, Shini here. In real time, in real time scenario, like just like suppose we are there is a function module, and so in the multiple, if we are using more than one time, if it is a, I mean to say, like just like a function module utilization, this here in this case we are defining a class and method. So when this is going to be when we will be creating this one, like just like when we using this across so many programs or so many things, this is the code is used for this purpose.
Yeah, actually it is a global class.
Correct.
This is a global class.
So purpose will be the same.
Yeah, it is like it is almost similar to the function module, but performance wise it is very fast because we are writing SQL script inside. So this logic you cannot see difference. Okay, I am writing small logic. You try to implement your entire like functions. SAP function, SQL functions are there, right? Date functions and concatenate operations and joins. These are all applications. If you implement and if you write a complex SQL script here, like there is no loop. Observe here, there is no loop required. Okay, and everything can do in a single stretch, like all arithmetic operations, all operations we can do inside the select. So if you implement any logic like 100 lines of logic, you can implement in 10 lines, but it is 10 times faster. So complex scenario logic, if you implement inside that AMDP class, the performance will increase like anything. Some of my programs I seen 20-30 times faster than the traditional web programs. Clear?
So actually my intention is like every time we like approach is like in the normal program, every time creating method and class first and then calling, there is not like that. It's like if you are using more than I mean to say
like just like you know about I got your question. Like you know about views, like
yes.
views means whenever you require you'll use it, but for AMDP you cannot say every time use that, because if it is any complex logic is there, entire logic you can implement in single AMDP method.
Okay.
Entire method we can implement in single AMDP method, entire logic, so that we cannot do reusability. We cannot do reusability for that method.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
So
where is the pretty printer option here?
Here no pretty print source code format. Just format. If you want to source code formatting setting, you can configure like indent, no uppercase lowercase conversion, or keywords are uppercase. Format, source code format, not pretty print. Format. Okay. Just in Nano Studio level, you have to do the settings.
So requirement is for a specific, I mean to say like for business requirement or for a single program also we will go for a class method and then call it in a general program, or?
Exactly. It is not like we are writing the class or method. It is right how much you are increasing the performance.
Okay.
Want to increase the performance, at least single logic, like single selector also, you have to go for AMDP class.
Okay.
Our intention is writing a code push down logic. Okay, if you want to write code push down logic, SQL script logic, first create a AMDP class. But like, are you doing reusability or not doing reusability also? One time use also, you have to create a AMDP class.
I got my answer. Okay.
Clear? Everybody clear, right? So maybe if whatever logic you are written for that select state, that AMDP class method, maybe if it is universal, like sales related data, then it may be useful for other classes, other programs. But it is not compulsory that whatever AMDP class methods you are using, those are reusable. So most of scenarios, complex programs, we'll write a program specific AMDP class, not universal, like useful for multiple programs. Yes.
Okay.
Tell me, Monica. Hello? Any doubts? Hello? Geeta, are you clear?
Yes, Venkat. Yeah. Yes, I am clear. I have to practice.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Yeah, do practice. Like if you practice this weekend, then only you can remember. Again, if you are planning for next week practical, nothing will like you will forget everything. Yeah, just
Yeah, Venkat, one question. So the
Yes,
class
yes.
that you just created, you did not call the same class in your report, right? The class
Yeah.
that you just created, the ZAMDP Tech, did you call the same class in your report?
Then how? Same class. Yeah, this is the static method. That's why I did it that define the object.
Okay.
Like object is not required. We'll discuss object oriented tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll explain that. Okay.
Okay.
Static method and static objects. No need of object creation. Directly with class I can call. This is the class. So with the class directly I am calling. If it is an instant method, I have to create an object. Through object I have to call that method with single arrow. Clear? Okay. So do practice. Tomorrow we may have a long session about time. Like tomorrow a little bit late, like IST 8:30. Is it okay for you? Morning?
Morning 8:30, Venkat, Geeta here. For me, it is.
It's too late, right?
Not possible tomorrow.
Yeah,
No,
it's
but 8:30 in the morning, right?
it's too late, I think, right?
Yeah, it is not too late. Actually, I am traveling, so it is not possible tomorrow. Evening is okay. IST in the night. Evening is okay for me.
Evening from okay, little late is okay. Like after, I'll let you know. Okay, you will get information about the timings. Just we will plan.
Because I'm going from one place to another place, from
Yeah, yes,
Bangalore
yes.
to Chennai, so I'll reach around afternoon. Evening any time.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sure. We'll plan that. Irfan, you are having my ID, right? Like, I got. Okay. Irfan, after some time or tomorrow, you can call me. We'll discuss further things. Okay. Just otherwise, for you tomorrow you can call morning. IST evening you can call. Okay. Okay, guys.
Venkat, try to what are the object-oriented approach you said, that basics, that thing you better take tomorrow, and then because everything is now.
I'm not getting. Your voice is not clear.
No, whatever you told, like day after tomorrow, instead of day after tomorrow, tomorrow you try to take the object-oriented general topic.
Yeah, that only. I will give you the timings. I will give you the timings. Let me discuss with the techie people, so they will schedule the timings. Okay, we'll get the mail regarding the schedule. Okay, like mostly it will be in the evening only. Okay, evening little late, like after 9. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.